Eliminate airborne influenza, respiratory viruses, odor with Homes&'s portable UV-C air sanitizer purifier. Keep air clean for bedrooms, kitchen, bathroom, pet area, nursery. Ultraviolet, UV-C, light can eliminate viruses, influenza, H1N1, E.coli, Staphylococcus, Salmonella, Aeruginosa, respiratory syncytial virus. Ambient airflow through via turbofan, H04 Air Purifier UV-C light eliminates airborne viruses, mold, odor, and microorganisms. H04 Air Purifier combines the power of UV-C light for disinfecting and titanium dioxide inner coating for removing odor, cleans the air you breathing. It is portable, plugged into any 110V 220V outlet, and is 360-degree rotatable for different angle with a built-in nightlight. Ideal for living spaces, bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, pet area, molded space. And more. Protect the air you breathe in. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.